Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at nucleophiles and electrophiles. So there are some reactions called ionic reactions or polar reactions. They involve ionic or polar compounds in which there is a significant dipole moment. So ionic reactions occur when one reactant has a high state of electron density and the other one has a low state of electron density. So they kind of act like ions toward each other. And there are two types that would describe these. So electron-rich is called a nucleophile. So that is when it is basically, it has an electron-rich center, but an electron-lower center, where it doesn't have as much electrons at the center, they're more towards the outside, is called an electrophile. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at nucleophiles. So remember, a nucleophile is an electron-rich molecule that's capable of reacting with other ones. So there are some, let's consider them all the oxides. Like we would have hydroxide and methoxide, ethoxide, butoxide, pentoxide, and so on. And they can form different compounds. Like we can have lithium hydroxide, sodium methoxide, sodium ethoxide, and potassium butoxide. And notice how they can react with them. But if you put in some water, some hydrogen atoms rather than some positively charged ions, the hydrogen atoms will actually bond to them. They'll get positively charged and they'll bond. And so from hydroxide we get water, from methoxide we get methanol, ethoxide we get ethanol, and butoxide we get butanol. Alright, so now what are electrophiles? Well, an electrophile is an electron deficient molecule or ion that can react with negatively charged electrons, and a lot of them, like alkyl halides, most carbons in them are sp3 hybridized because of that. So they will react with halides like iodine, chlorine, bromine, and fluorine for the main four, and they will also react with other groups. Typically it's not hydrogen. They can react with carbon in a process called carbocation, for example. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's as simple as clicking that button down below this video, and your support really helps me grow this channel and continue producing videos.